Every economy has its highs and lows. Today we're talking about opportunities that thrive in any economic climate. Welcome to our discussion on recession-proof business ideas. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. Let us start with some numbers. According to a study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 15% of total U.S. businesses failed during the Great Recession of 2008. Does this mean all businesses suffer during a downturn? The answer is a surprising no. The first industry was going to look at is the fast food industry. During the 2008 recession, McDonald's profits rose by 80%. Why? People wanted cheaper meals. Fast food became an easy option. So starting a budget-friendly eatery or a fast food franchise could be a solid business idea during tough times. Next up, there's the alcohol industry. Historically, it has remained unaffected by recessions. Even during the 2008 economic downturns, the Distilled Spirits Council reported a 2.8% rise in revenue. This shows that businesses producing or selling alcohol could remain profitable during a downturn. Then, you've got the repair industry. In tough economic times, people are more likely to repair than replace. A study by American Express revealed that 48% of Americans chose to repair items rather than buy new ones during the recession. Setting up a repair business for cars, electronics, or homes could be a viable business idea in a recession. Finally, let us talk about the education industry. Despite the 2008 recession, the National Center for Education Statistics reported a 7% increase in college enrollment. With the rise of e-learning platforms, starting an online education or training business could be a lucrative venture even during economic downturns. Remember, recessions may seem overwhelming, but they also open up unique opportunities for the right business ideas. The key is to identify needs that remain consistent, regardless of the economy. If you need more recession-proof business ideas, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, are there any creative recession-proof business ideas that you have in mind? Drop a comment below and tell us what you envision. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.